Now, President Bola Tinubu has inaugurated Vice Admiral Ebok Ete-Ibas, retired, as the administrator of Rivers State. This follows the state of emergency the president declared in Rivers State and the consequent suspension of the governor, Siminalayi Fubara, and his deputy, Ngozi Udu. State House correspondent Musbau Dan-Wahab reports on this and the clarifications made by the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice on the matter.
It has become inevitably compelling for me to invoke the provision of the Section 305 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, to declare a state of emergency in Rivers State with effect from today, 18th March, year 2025, and I so do.
President Bola Tinubu took a rare decision, considering the political instability submerging Rivers State for too long. Here is the man chosen from a fellow Niger Delta state, Cross River, Vice Admiral Ebok Ete-Ibas, to preside over the state for 6 months, the initial period of a state of emergency. President Bola Tinubu gave validity to his appointment by inaugurating him as the sole administrator of a state within this period. Not an event for speeches, but then President Bola Tinubu had in his broadcast expressed hope that this step would help to restore peace and order in the state, and the sole administrator promises to hit the ground running for this task.
First of all, I think we know the circumstances that led to where we are here, and Mr. President made it very clear in his broadcast. And if the main issue is that of maintaining law and order in the state, I think for any meaningful activities to take place in Rivers State, that is the utmost task that I have, to work together with all other stakeholders to ensure that we bring peace, order, and security and stability to the people and government of Rivers State and Nigeria at large.
64-year-old Vice Admiral Ibas served as the 22nd Chief of Naval Staff between 2015 and 2021, and later Nigerian High Commissioner to Ghana from 2021 to 2023, all under former President Muhammadu Buhari.
Thank you very much.
Meanwhile, Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, had made clarifications on questions arising on the decision of the President. At a briefing organized by the presidential media team, the Attorney General pointed out that apart from the failure of the warring parties to reconcile, the political instability was also taking a dimension of national implications.
There was not a word dissuading the threat, the militants who issued this threat. In today's Nigeria, maybe with the efforts of the Mr. President, a Greek will come in, but as of today, we still rely largely on oil. For anyone to touch these pipelines, it's not only the enemy of rivers, it's the enemy of Nigeria. All Nigerians, all the 36 states share in what comes in from the production of this oil.
He insisted the decision is in the interest of the nation.
It shouldn't be about individual. It should not be about anybody. It should be about the entity called Nigeria. But in this case, the Rivers State. So it is Rivers State's turn today. It can be anybody's turn tomorrow. Let the signal be clearly sent for those who want to foment trouble, who want to make the practice of democracy and enjoyment of dividend of democracy a mirage, to think twice.
From the State House, Musbau Dan-Wahab, NT News.